In this video, we're going to learn how to do a chain. First, you'll need to do a slip knot and get your hands ready to work. The loop on your hook shouldn't be too tight. You should be able to move it fairly easily up and down. Now let's learn how to do a chain. The first thing you will do is called a yarn over. Your hook goes over the yarn and scoops under it from left to right. Then you can see that I turn the hook towards the middle to grab the yarn and pull it through the loop that is already on the hook. Now let's rinse and repeat. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you'll notice that I'm moving my fingers up so that I have control over my work. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, and pull through the loop. Notice that my left pinky is holding on to the yarn, helping to control the tension. If you notice that you are holding the yarn really tightly, let go and shake your hands out. Try again with a more relaxed grip. Let's count our chain stitches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The last thing I want you to notice is how I pulled my hook to give myself more yarn. You can do this at any time if you need more yarn or if you need a little bit of a tighter loop around your hook.